Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for September 19th, 2016. For your Monday, we're going to have this much needed rainfall across parts of the region this morning that will move out this afternoon, late morning into early afternoon across the coverage area from west to east. And so before all is said and done here, we should have generally between a half inch and an inch of rain for most areas. Some areas going actually over that amount with localized higher amounts over an inch. As we go to the NAM high-res future simulated radar, we're starting this off at 8 o'clock in the morning here, and we'll see the areas of showers moving across this frontal boundary, moving from west to east across the region. And you can see that here at here's 10, 11, 12, and you can see some areas of heavy rain down here across southeastern PA at this point. Moving forward again, here's 1 p.m., 2 p.m. We're starting to wind down a little bit at this point in the interior. Here's 3, here's 4. You can see the areas in the interior are now pretty much dry. Just some leftover showers here in New Jersey at this point and down here across maybe Delaware as you get into the evening. So I do think you get into some partial clearing actually up in these areas up in here toward the very end of the day. Maybe at least mostly cloudy. You might get a few peaks of sun very late in the day. Further southeast, I don't expect that to happen. But I wouldn't be surprised if some areas do. But, for the most part, we should have some clouds and showers hanging on here into the evening hours. And then just a leftover shower overnight for most areas, and that's it. Just staying mostly cloudy with areas of patchy fog developing overnight. Here is a look at the evening hours again. Just the southeastern areas getting into the rain at this point. So you might have some cloud breaking for at least peaks of sun up here in the interior as this frontal boundary moves through here. It moves off to the south and east. And once that does so, you could get a few peaks of sun in the interior. As we get in the overnight hours here, just a leftover shower here, and that's about it. But otherwise, we're going to be improving in the day, during the day here on Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be a partly cloudy day for most. Maybe more clouds than sun early on, or at least for a good portion of the day down here in the extreme southern area, eastern areas where it might be mostly cloudy, as opposed to mostly or partly sunny. And then the high pressure is going to move in here for Wednesday. We're going to be mostly sunny conditions here from Wednesday, Thursday, maybe even Friday. So with that high pressure in control. Here's a look at Friday. We have a little disturbance off to our south and east, may bring a few showers down to our southeastern areas. Another frontal boundary off to our north here on Friday, but elsewhere we should be okay. I think here's a look at later on Friday. Nothing really going on this week. Frontal boundary. This is kind of like a backdoor front. This is going to move through our area on Friday night. At least portions of the area might bring a little bit cooler conditions. You can barely see this, not a lot of precipitation with it, but the front did actually come through here at this point. So winds are going to shift to the north here on Saturday. We think you'd have cooler temperatures. This entire week is going to be temperatures much above normal, with probably about 10 or so degrees above normal for much of the week for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, actually even Friday too. We're expecting temperatures to be about 10 degrees or so above normal. But once we get into Saturday, we head back down toward normal as these winds shift into the north and the backdoor cold front moves through. So we'll be a little bit cooler, but again, nothing really chilly coming in here in the next week or so. We're going to have a high pressure building in here for Sunday, and I think Sunday is going to be one of those days where it's just going to be a mostly sunny and pleasant day. And nothing to worry about. But as far as the temperatures this week, again, Tuesday through Friday, that's what we're looking for above normal temperatures. Have that backdoor cold front coming through here on Saturday, but not much precipitation after we get past today, at least not in the next 6 days in our normal forecast period. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for September 19th, 2016. Have a great Monday.